part 2 of Glow Up series. If you don't know me, hi, my name is Maritu. Welcome to my episode 2 of Glow Up series, where I try to glow up after being in a seasonal funk. I film lifestyle videos with a sprinkle of fashion and traveling, and if you like having fun, well, you should subscribe because it's fun out here. I'm going to tackle my dresser that you don't see here. Last week I was just trying on things and I tried jeans on and I was like, they do not fit anymore. And so I need to do a little cleanup of the things that do not fit me. I guess it's been a while, and since I go to the gym, some things do not fit me anymore. Also, maybe clean up a little bit of my bedroom. It's kind of giving midterms vibes or like finals vibes. I'm almost done with school and it shows. It shows. So let's start. This is what it looks like. It was god awful. I need to declutter. I need to do it. My toxic trait is really thinking that like I can be organized in this thing. There is no like compartmentalization. Yeah, compartmentalization. And so it's very easy to just throw it down the thingy. Let me fix it. Goodness. Oh my god, these shorts. Oh my god, I forgot they existed. Zood. I love these shorts. Great, that's just the first part. I just received this. My sister gave it to me. I'm not sure if I'm gonna wear it, but I'm gonna try it. It feels like it's like a little A-line skirty skirt. So I'm thinking I'm gonna keep this. Should I give away? Still cute. Let me give it one more summer. If I don't wear it, then I know where it's gonna go. These are joggers from my high school. Ooh. These are leggings. These are literal leggings. So it's gonna be a no. This is a leather skirt that I don't think I'm gonna ever wear again, so I'm gonna give it away. These are black shorts that I know fit me. I'm not gonna give them away. These, I love these, but they're barely hanging on. Like these, it's safe to say that it's a no. Barely can move. My thighs are suffocating, so it's a no. I feel like it's another one that's gonna be like no. Yeah, no, these are booty shorts. No, I'm good. I mean, they fit. They're just very, very short. I might keep those because it could be a look if I have like a long corset or something. It could be a look, but at the same time, I don't know. These pants I received from Emil. They're fine, honestly. They fit. I think I'm gonna demote them as pajamas because I truly don't wear these outside. And my Adidas pants, let me try them on and see. They're cute, but they're like short. They're too short now, and I feel like it's time to let them go. It's been 11 years, still, it's crazy. This, I'm not sure if it's my style anymore. This can go too. The joggers were good. These shorts, they've been with me through thick and thin. They were a dupe from the American Apparel sunflower shorts, and they were so cute. I wore them so much, but now it's time. They still fit, like them. I'm still debating on if I want to sell them and like buy another type of pants like this because I don't know. These are the Wilfred Free Ascendant pants. I used to be so obsessed with them until I realized that it was off-centered. It's off-centered. I don't know. These I've thrifted. They fit still amazing. These are Abercrombie pants that I fell in love with when I went to New York, and I went just for fun to Abercrombie. Ended up buying for $300 worth of jeans. Yeah, but it's all worth it. I wear these jeans every single week. So these two ones are the Curve Love loose high waist, and the other one is, if I find it, this one is the 90s straight. Yeah, the 90s straight. These are bootcut pants. I bought them like 2 years ago and I was in love with them. I just need to see if they fit me because last time I checked, I don't think they fit me. Yeah, they do not fit me anymore. I can wear them, but they don't fit me. Like this, the crotch area is so uncomfortable. And like my boot is squeezed. They were so good though. They were so good. Then this is the Zara mom jeans. I've tried these on and they definitely do not fit. This is on the verge of not fitting. No, they simply do not fit. They're supposed to be like straight loose pants. They are so tight. Oh my god, this is scary. These are the Aritzia Oracle pants. Fingers crossed they still fit. Okay, they fit. Definitely tighter. The thighs still have room, which is nice, and the butt still has room too. Like it's not also constricted. These are the Aritzia pants also, but in cognac, and they're the cargo leather pant. I used to wear them all the time. I don't know why I stopped. Yeah. So I'm gonna keep this. This I'm gonna keep. I have the blue version as well. I'm gonna keep both of them because I still wear these, and yeah. That all of my jeans, basically all my jeans, do not fit me anymore, which is insane. I haven't been wearing jeans the way I have been wearing them. There's a whole bunch of denim that doesn't fit anymore. This is rather eye-opening, but yeah, it's life. It's life. Oh, I haven't tried this one. I already know what the answer will be. Couldn't even fit them in. So if you need jeans, so I'm done with my dresser. Yeah, I know like I don't have like little boxes and like things that could actually compartmentalize it, but it's pretty nice for what I started with, and I'm giving out this amount of clothes. Like I've never given this amount of clothes because if you know me, I am a hoarder with my clothes. I love keeping clothes just in case, you know, just in case there's an event I need to wear these pants, I'm gonna keep them, but like they don't even fit. So I think I'm gonna call it for today, but I'm gonna clean up a little bit and put my clothes on Poshmark, Vinted, whatever, what marketplace. Yeah, it's been a good cleaning session, honestly, I can't lie. But now I have like, I need to show you, I have books everywhere. My old camera is still here. My vanity is not cute. I need to fix that. This retrieved from this little nightstand. I've put out this thing so much. Wallpaper, ridiculous. This is the final look at my bedroom. It looks so much cleaner. The books are still there, but it's because I need them for my essay. But I've taken some of them out. So, drum roll. You want to see the final look? Thank you for hanging out with me while I was cleaning up my mess. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and comment down below the little ice cream emoji if you reached this part of the video. And if you did, I love you. You're the reason I keep going. But anyways, bye.